Hi everyone, Trish Triumpho Sullivan here, and we're going to talk today about assignment number 10, which is cell phone tips and tricks. So for this assignment, you're going to be taking 5 images. Five images on your cell phone. Right, so you'll have to either use your smartphone or borrow a smartphone from a friend or family member for this assignment. So because we use our cell phones pretty much all the time, in fact, most people take a lot of photos with their cell phones, I want to give you a few tips and tricks to have, not only to take better photographs, but to have some fun. So you're gonna be looking at, for this assignment, you're going to be looking at, let's see, number 10, cell phone. Okay, so remember this is 5 images. And you're going to watch 2 videos, and the videos I'll send you links via email and on Canvas, but you're going to watch 2 short videos. By these folks, Coof people, on cell phone tricks and tips. And you're going to have a choice of 15 different images. Okay, so you're going to have 15 to choose from. And out of those 15, you're going to do 5. Right? I only want you turning in 5 images. And they must be 5 different images. You're going to watch the videos, and you're going to see there's 7 on one and 8 on the other. And there's 15 total. You'll watch them. You'll pick the 5 that you want to do, like the pano dash, or the drive-by pano. There's a bunch of fun ones to try, and out of those 15, you're going to just pick 5. You're going to take them with your cell phone, and you're going to send them to me via email. Right, just like you turn in your other assignments. So for assignment number 10, you'll be watching these 2 short videos, and they're pretty short, on YouTube, with 15 different choices, and you're going to pick 5 of those, right? And then take the photos with your cell phone and turn them in. Now I'm going to give you a couple quick things to see on your cell phone, because I think a lot of people don't know exactly how much choice they have, how much they can do with their cell phone. So here we're going to go to our camera on the phone. As you can see, we're looking right through there. Now you may not know there's a lot of things you can of course put a flash on. Right? There's automatic on and off. I keep mine off. I think it's better. There's also HDR, which means that you can have a high definition if you want to. We have live, where it makes a little bit of movement, like kind of for like a GIF. You have a timer. There's some color choices that you can do there, right? Some kind of filters. Now, the thing I really want to show you, besides these types of things where you can do slow motion, time lapse is pretty fun. Slow-mo and like video, but for your regular photos, so you can do square, and then there's your pano. That's the panoramic. That is one of the things. So for your regular photos, there's a couple things that most people don't know about. One is the autofocus, the focus lock. Right? So if I want to blur out the background, now we've talked about that, like a narrow depth of field with the camera, you can do it with your cell phone too, which is kind of cool. So let's do this. We'll look at this thumbs up here, I'm going to press on my screen with my thumb, and you notice there's a little box that comes up. Notice that when I do that, the focus is on my hand, my thumbs up there, and the background has gotten blurry. That's because by doing that, I focused just on the hand, and the depth of field has become narrow. This is a great way to blur out the background when you're doing portraits. Now there's a little sun icon next to this, and you can go up with it and make the exposure brighter, or you can go down with it and make the exposure darker. So this way you have some exposure control and you have focus control. So you can actually change your depth of field just by doing that auto focus lock. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show you on your phone. You can have some fun with it. And for this last assignment, you guys, this is meant to be fun. I want you to have fun with this assignment. It's the last assignment so that you can enjoy it and have some fun with it. But I do insist that you turn in all 5 images. So you're not going to get full credit if I get 2 images or 3 images. I need all 5, and I need them to be 5 different ones. Okay, so we're try 5 different tricks with your cell phone. All right, so I will see you guys in class. Have fun with this assignment. Remember, it has to be in the day before our last day of class. So the same day that the finals do. So make sure all your assignments are turned in. And we'll see you in class.